green finance taxonomy for public participation that will serve as a tool to classify whether particular economic activities are green or environmentally sustainable, and serve as a guide for banking sector and other market participants in making informed investment decisions or financing decisions. That, to eliminate money laundering and vulnerability in the banking sector, the CBK has revised the anti-money laundering and combating the financing of terrorism and proliferation of financing, and a supervisory framework has been implemented so that the risk-based supervision is enacted, undertaking institutional and sectoral risk assessment and enhancing staff complement capacity for supervision. Mr. Speaker, the Kenya banking sector is exposed to dynamic global, regional, and even local developments necessitating reforms in this respect. The following reforms are proposed. First, the Central Bank of Kenya intends to progressively increase the minimum core capital for banks from the current 1 billion to Kenya shillings 10 billion. The CBK will engage the market for an appropriate timetable to achieve this goal. This is intended to strengthen the resilience and increase the bank's capacity to finance large-scale projects while creating sufficient capital buffer to absorb and withstand shocks posed by continuous emerging risks associated with adoption of technology and innovation as institutions expand. Second, the central bank plans to amend the Banking Act to provide for stiff dissuasive penalties that are proportionate to the violations committed, support a strong compliance culture in banks,